Okay, Liam, let's start her up. Start up the bulldozer. Make sure everything works. How's the horn sound? Try it. Huh? That's very good. Try it again. Oh, that does sound very good. Okay. The joystick. Yeah, is the joystick working? There's two joysticks. Okay, so the bulldozer has two joysticks. There's a pedal down there. Okay, that's good. You can reach. You've got the engine in here. Yeah, we need to get that fixed. Someone messed around with the ignition. It's a beautiful bulldozer though. This is the Caterpillar D3K2 XL. Okay, Liam, say bye-bye.